Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. To replace the door gasket on your dishwasher, open the dishwasher door and remove the old gasket if still intact by pulling it out of the channel. Install the new door gasket by inserting the side with the ridges into the channel so the gasket lip faces inward. Once fully installed, confirm that the dishwasher door closes and seals properly. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.